Hello, my dear sewing friends. Welcome back to my cozy corner. Today we are going to transform simple fabric scraps into something truly magical, practical, and breathtakingly beautiful. Grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's create some zero-waste magic together. And remember, all the links to the tools and materials I use today are conveniently listed in the video description below. For this project, we only need 2 matching squares of fabric. Now, let's place the fabric pieces right sides together. To secure our layers securely without shifting, we'll use safety pins to baste and pin the edges all around. Moving over to the sewing machine, we are going to stitch along the edge with a standard 1/4 inch seam allowance. Make sure to back stitch at the beginning and the end for durability, and very importantly, leave a small opening unstitched along the bottom edge so we can turn the pouch right side out later. Now let's trim the corners carefully at a diagonal angle, making sure not to cut through our stitching lines. This will reduce bulk and give us crisp, sharp corners. Next, turn the piece right side out through the opening. Give it a thorough press with a steam iron to make all the seams flat and crisp. Finally, let's top stitch all around the outer edge to give it a polished, professional finish. Now for the clever trick. Take each corner of the square and fold them neatly toward the center. From each fold, measure down about 3/8 of an inch, which is roughly 1 centimeter, to create our casing channel. Sew along the edges, making sure to secure your stitches firmly with strong back stitches at both ends. Before we move on, if you love quick, creative, and scrap-friendly projects, just like this one, please check out my full sewing playlist linked in the description below. You will find dozens of amazing ideas there. Next, I am taking a gorgeous silk cord, about 0.01 inches, 0.3 millimeters, in diameter. Using a bodkin, smoothly thread the cord through the casing channels all the way around. Tie neat little knots to secure and connect the ends together. When you pull the cords, the pouch closes like magic. Just a quick reminder, all the professional tools, bodkins, cutters, cords, and sewing machines I use and trust are linked directly in the description box below for your convenience. Look at how adorable and functional this little pouch turned out. It's fantastic for organizing small items in your craft room, like storing thread spools or using it as a cute little everyday makeup bag. But wait, look at these photos filled with delicious candies. They make the most stunning, heartfelt gift packaging or bonbonnieres for any celebration. And with so many wonderful American holidays coming up soon, Like Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year, these fabric scrap pouches are an absolute lifesaver. They look breathtakingly beautiful. They use up waste fabric, and that is exactly why I sew them in big batches and sell them in bulk for the holiday season. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below telling me what fabrics you will use, and subscribe to the channel for more daily inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and happy sewing!